Hi everybody, welcome this evening to Gagajoy's Cooking and in my kitchen. Today we're going to be doing veggie mac and cheese. It's just a little different than your regular mac and cheese. I'm trying to come up with summer recipes and things that'll stretch through the summer. And first of all, we've got cheese, 3 cups of cheese. We've got broccoli, green onions, cauliflower onions, and milk. These are carrots. And then this will make the sauce, which we'll come to later. But first of all, I've got my water in boiling. And it's 3 quarts for 3 cups of macaroni. And I've got to let it boil a little bit more. Well, I'm going to put some salt in the water for my macaroni. And I'm going to add, this is my brand of macaroni. Everybody has their own. And it's 3 cups. My particular macaroni calls from 8 to 12 minutes, so we'll wait about 8 minutes. Okay, now the macaroni has cooked about 7 minutes, so now I'm going to add some of the vegetables. I'm going to add my broccoli. That's 3 cups of broccoli, 2 cups of cauliflower, 3 stalks of celery, and I did the julienne carrots. It's actually 3 large carrots, but you can do the carrots any way you want to. And while this is starting, I've got to make a little roux. 2 tablespoons of butter. Let that be melting. Get this stirred up, get it back to boiling again. To this butter, I'm adding my, it's 1 small onion, or 1 medium onion, not small, medium. Also, I'm going to add a can of chicken broth to the macaroni. Bring the liquid up a little bit higher. I see that's a little bit low. So we'll bring it up a little bit higher. I think my onions are wilted enough. Now I put flour and I'm putting some pepper. The flour is 1/4 cup of flour. It's just barely enough to thicken it, the butter and the onions. Okay. Now this is 2½ cups of milk. I'm using 2%. Feel free to use the one you like. Now, like I said, I'm adding my cheese, and I'm just mixing it up. I had some half bags of things of good cheddar cheese, so I'm just adding that. My macaroni is within a minute, so I'm going to give you a rundown of the cheese one more time. I used my butter, my flour, and my onions, and sort of got them tender. And then I added 2½ cups of milk. Then I added 3 cups of cheese. And to this, mixture is already done. So in goes the cheese. See how wonderful that is. In the meantime, I'm going to stir my mixture up. Now I just added it to my bowl. It's beautiful. And I've got my oven to 350. And I'll put it in my oven to 350 for about 15 minutes. It's all done. It's just sort of blend everything. There it is. Our veggie macaroni. Oh, it smells so good. And it looks wonderful. It's just perfect. I don't know any child that wouldn't love this with macaroni. You know, I was going to tell you about something. A lot of Southerners like sugar in macaroni, so that's your decision to make. You make the decision you want about the sugar. I do like the sugar with my tomatoes in macaroni. We've had a wonderful day with this. I'm gonna let it cool down before I taste it. And remember the joy this week, and that we should be thankful for everything we have. We'll see you soon.